In this video, I'll show you how to use the cross progression feature in Marvel Rivals. So this feature basically allows you to play one account on different platforms. So if you have a main account on Xbox, you can play it on PS5 or on your PC if you want to. So all you have to do is launch the game on your primary account, which is the account that you are using, and then go to the settings, the game settings. And then within the game settings, navigate to the other section and then scroll down to the bottom and you should find the account linking option. So select that and then give it a few seconds. Now you can see this is my main account. So there are a couple of options that you can use to link your game account. So if you want to link it with Steam, PS5, Loading Bay, or Epic Games. So let's say for instance, I want it to link with my PS5. Again, simply select link and then give it a few seconds and you should see a QR code appear on the screen. So all you have to do is simply scan the QR code with your phone to proceed to the next step. Now, once you scan the QR code, you'll be taken to a website whereby you can sign in to your PlayStation account or Xbox account, whichever account you want to link to your link this account. So be it Steam account, you have to sign in with your Steam details. Be it PSN account, you have to sign in with your PS account. Now, once you've done, you can simply go back. And then you should see this prompt. Select the primary account that you'd like to use. So choose the account that you'd like to select as your primary. So I'll just use my Xbox account and select that. And then you should see a brief description of how much time you've played, how many matches you've played, how many friends you have, and the current rank. So all you have to do is simply select confirm, and that will be your primary account. So let me just confirm. And now you have successfully, as you can see this warning or this prompt, account bounded. Please log in again. So you have to sign in again so that it can complete the process. Once you've successfully linked to your account, so you can log into that particular platform that you linked it to, and you can now access your account. So this is my Xbox account that I've linked it to my PS5 account. So that's basically it on how to use the cross progression feature in Marvel Rivals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.